Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and I want to do that challenge I've been seeing on YouTube where people mix all of their foundations together and put it on and wear it for the day. So hopefully my skin doesn't suffer and break out, but I think it'll be fun to do the challenge and see how great all of these foundations wear throughout the day. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 foundations and like a couple BB creams in there. So this is what we're going to mix together today. I'll put on the screen what I'm mixing together so that y'all know. And I am going to include this Dermacol. Can you see it right there? That fake one right here. We're going to be applying it with this like fake Artiste brush, which is like really legit. I washed all my brushes last night and I washed my beauty sponge, and then the dog got a hold of the sponge, so I had to toss it. So we're going to use this. I've only used it maybe once or twice, but I really liked it when I used it. So, alright, so let's get to mixing. I have a white bowl. I don't have a clear one that's clean. So I have this white one so we can see what the foundation looks like in here. And I think what I'll do, I guess, is just do maybe like a pump. Yeah, a pump of each should be plenty. So here's what it looks like all together. I know it doesn't look like much, but we don't need much. So I'm just going to take this straw, kind of push them all down, and swirl. The color is most certainly going to be too dark, I think, just because I have a lot of summer foundations. I have way more summer foundations than I do winter foundations. Now I've already cleaned and prepped my skin. I just wash with Dove soap, and then I use the MAC Complete Comfort Cream as moisturizer. So that part is done. So I guess I'm just going to use my finger. I don't really know how to get this on my skin. Maybe I'll just dip this in there. Okay, it's definitely not full coverage like I thought that it would be. That's okay though. And it's actually a little lighter. Like I said, I thought it would be darker. I can feel the like BB creams in there, like the sunscreen type that you feel when you use a BB cream or a CC cream. I can definitely feel that. That is pale. We're going to try to see if we can build it a little bit right here on the cheeks. First thoughts is it's not terrible. It looks real pale in the camera. It's not that pale in person, but it's a little greasy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rest of my makeup on, set this, and then we'll come back and talk about it. So we're back. I put more makeup on, and I have to admit that I don't hate it. I don't know why this is so bright. Let me see if I can adjust. Oh, okay. All right. Anyway, so this is the final product. I've got just a natural makeup on because I don't know what we're doing for the day, but so far I kind of like it. That was what I was afraid of, that I was going to get all of these foundations on and that I was going to like it. And then I felt like every day I would need to do this. Alright, so we'll wear this throughout the day. I will update you and let you know how it's going. It's super early right now. It is 7:53 in the morning. I don't know if I'll wear it for the entire day because we've got big plans tonight for dinner. But, I mean, if it goes well, then we'll see. Alright. I will see y'all in a little while. So it's about 12:20. We just finished eating lunch and I just noticed that all the makeup has come off my chin. To wear 8 foundations, you'd think that they would be a little more full coverage, but so far so good. I mean, I don't have any lines from like the colors from my face to my neck or anything, but I should have brought something to touch up my chin. Anyway, alright, we're gonna go grocery shopping now. Like I said, it's about 12:25, 12:30. I will see y'all again in a little while. Alright y'all, it's about 5:20 and I'm getting ready for us to go to dinner. We're just driving over to the casinos to have dinner, but I don't think I'm going to redo foundation or anything, just looking at it. I mean, The casinos aren't like a super fancy dinner, so I think what I'm going to do is just touch up, maybe add a little bit of powder and blush and go on with the day. So far, I'm just really nervous that my face is going to break out. But I guess we'll have to wait and see if that happens. Alright, so I'll check in again with y'all when we get home, probably before I wash my face. Alright y'all, we're going to wrap this up. It's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm exhausted. I want to take this makeup off. It wore well. I don't have anything negative to say about it. I will not be mixing 8 foundations every single day. But it was fun. It was nice to try. It was fun to see what happens when you mix all of your foundations together. So, if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you like videos like this, comment down below and let me know. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.